So here we have the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. It comes with one carrying case, the aircraft, the battery charger, battery dock, OcuSync 2 controller, 3 ND filters, 1 battery to power bank adapter, Type-C charging cable, RC cables, as well as 6 pairs of propellers. Just make sure to match them up when you're installing them. The maiden flight on a cold spring day. This was quite a hot and humid day, and the aircraft worked fine without any overheating. Gorgeous pictures over this waterfall. This was taken with DCineLike, which is DJI's log version. It's not quite full log, but you can grade it pretty well. This is another one with DCineLike, and it just brightens up and really gives a nice summer feeling after you do so. Again, DCineLike in the dark. This is evening when the sun is just setting. It was quite dark, and as you can see, it does bring out a decent amount of information. With the wind coming off of Lake Huron here in both of these shots, the DJI handled high wind scenarios quite well, where it is quite steady for this whole shot, as well as this one. It doesn't shake, and you can't really see the propellers tilting down. This is what DJI does normally in auto mode, and this is also quite a windy situation as well, with the wind going over this crest here of rock and creating quite turbulent situations for the drone. You can even try to grade auto, but it doesn't look as great as a DCineLike one would. You can see how steady the DJI drone is from these windmills, which are a safe distance away. And even though this is not the coldest conditions, the drone and controller operate perfectly fine in the winter. Drone is just as steady and just as smooth in winter as it is in the heat of summer. I shall have to wait for the colder weather to see how it operates in even colder temperatures, but this was perfect for these wonderful winter shots. And another shot to just show how good DCineLike is, with good fall colors and beautiful clouds. It shows how wonderful this situation was in real life. And I'll just leave with this night shot, because good night or good morning, I don't know what time you're watching this, but I hope you liked this video and it helped you with your purchasing decisions. Thanks for watching!